We will make a relatively easy stool with a 10-degree decline of the legs. The stool consists of a seat made out of 3 uniform flat pieces of wood which we illustrate by flattened cubes. 4 legs are made from extruding a circle and manipulating the cylinder, thus made by dividing and scaling it. The legs are held together by smaller sticks made in roughly the same manner. The legs are adjusted to a 10 degrees declining position from the z-axis in both of the x and y-axis directions. Since the legs are declined, the sticks holding them together must also follow a 10-degree angle, which is accomplished by using a normal, i.e. a new coordinate set rotated 10 degrees off the global y-axis relative to the global z-axis. The individual elements are unwrapped as we go along so that the copies of the elements are also unwrapped as we make use of them.